Scottie Thompson is a Filipino professional basketball player for the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel of the Philippine Basketball Association. He is also the team manager for the Perpetual Altus of the NCAA. Thompson was born on July 12, 1993, and was named after Scottie Pippen, as his father is a big Chicago Bulls fan. Thompson has American roots through his paternal great-grandfather. Thompson started playing basketball when he was in elementary, but his game took off during his senior year in high school when he played in the Palarong Pambansa representing Region 11 and was chosen for the Nike Elite Camp. According to him, he had no scholarship offers from top collegiate schools except for Perpetual Help. Thompson played college basketball at the University of Perpetual Help System Delta Altus of the NCAA. During his MVP year in 2014, he posted an impressive stat while leading the Altus to the Final Four. Thompson suited up for the Happy Fresh Fighters in the PBA D-League, where he teamed up with fellow college standouts and future draft batchmates Troy Rosario, Baser Amar, Garbo Lani, and Chris Newsom. Behind his heroics, he helped the Fresh Fighters win its first ever PBA D-League title in 2015. Thompson was drafted 5th overall in the 2015 PBA draft by the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Scottie was hailed the most valuable player twice. First was in the PBA 2018 Commissioner's Cup, and the second time was in the 2021 PBA Governor's Cup. He was also one of the players of the Sinig Pilipinas team, who competed and won gold medals in the 2015 Southeast Asian Games and the 2015 SEABA Championship. Thompson was included in the 21-man pool for the 2023 FIBA World Cup, where he was eventually included in the final 12-man lineup. Scottie Thompson married Jinky Serrano in June 2021 after ending his relationship with Po Fajardo, who he had been engaged to. Scottie Thompson proposed to his longtime girlfriend, Po Fajardo, on New Year's Day, but they later ended their relationship. He then married Jinky Serrano, a beauty clinic owner and former flight attendant, in a private ceremony in Las Piñas in June 2021. The news of his wedding to Jinky Serrano came after his breakup with Po Fajardo, which led to some criticism and public attention. Po Fajardo, who had been in a relationship with Scottie Thompson for 8 years, later broke her silence, stating that she was deeply hurt and that she wanted to move forward with her life. In December 2021, Scottie and Jinky had another wedding, this time a larger celebration. Welcomed their first child, a son, in 2023, and their second son, Schaller Austin, in April 2024. Inside basketball player Scottie Thompson's new home. Scottie first gave a preview of his new home last April when it was still semi-furnished. Scottie opted for a modern minimalist look for their living area's interior design. According to Scottie, most of the decor and furniture in their living area are custom-made, including this abaca carpet that they ordered all the way from Bicol. They have a 6-light glass pendant light chandelier in their living area and wood ceiling that extends up to different parts of the house on their first floor. They have a white brick wall in the living area and a white thumbprint-like painting. Scottie said that his girlfriend is a certified plantita and also showed the money tree that his girlfriend placed in their living area for good luck. He also gave a sneak peek of his home gym, which is located on the first floor of their home. Scottie has several workout equipment at home, since working on his fitness is a vital part of being an athlete. The modern minimalist theme continues in their kitchen. The cabinets, door, curtain, refrigerator, and faucet are all black, while the backsplash and sink tiles and kitchen island top are all in white. Here's another photo of the kitchen from another angle, showing the other side. Scottie said it was his idea to have a kitchen island so that they have extra space to accommodate more guests during parties. He also confessed that they cook more often in the dirty kitchen than in the main kitchen. Scottie also showed their built-in microwave oven and their 2-door refrigerator. They also bought an extra oven toaster, which is sometimes more practical to use when heating certain foods. They have an 8-seater dining table, which is made of acacia wood and which they got for a more affordable price in Bickle. They also have glass bulb pendant lights and a vase of dried flowers as the centerpiece in their table. Here's a photo of the dining area from another angle, showing the console table with religious figurines and huge glass doors, which give a glimpse of their pool. Scottie said the beautiful view of the pool creates a more pleasant dining experience, and guests can also access their pool from the dining area if they want to. Here's a photo of the pool in Scottie Thompson's house, which has sheer descent waterfalls. They also have a picnic table and parasol in their pool area. Here's what the pool looks like from another angle. They also have another seating area on the other end of the pool. They also have a lanai near the pool. According to Scottie, this is his favorite place in the house to chill because he finds the sound of the pool waterfalls relaxing. Scottie and his girlfriend plan to eventually put a koi pond on one side of their garden. They have a family area on the second floor of their house, near the bedrooms. They also have a praying area on the second floor, which has religious images including that of the Mother of Perpetual Help. Scottie also has a wall dedicated to his jersey collection. In the meantime, the bedroom number 1 serves as a guest bedroom, but it will eventually become the bedroom of their future kids. Bedroom 2. Scottie said the 2 spare bedrooms are usually used by their family and close friends during sleepovers. The master bedroom have a king-size bed with a wood headboard that has integrated bedside tables. Scottie's closet is located just near their bed. Scottie revealed that he decided not to put any doors in his closet since his girlfriend always gets angry when he forgets to close them, which according to him, happened a lot in their previous home. Scottie also showed some of his designer shoes and caps, which he admitted were mostly gifts given to him by his girlfriend and some of the generous bosses he has worked with. Scottie said he has a room that he considers his man cave, which houses his complete collection of shoes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.